smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
The morning start. Unlock your bikes and then we'll start putting them together. Just cycling out of the really nice suburbs of Pangbourne. This is where the money lives. An alpaca farm. A GMO-free zone. Hello. What a nice little thing you are. Grass is always greener. There's a horse trotting up and down the field here. I don't know what it is. It must be wanting to get out. Here you are. Hello. Oh, it's so nice. But it's a bit cooler today. It's not in 30 degrees. Should get up to mid-20s. So that's a lot nicer. Thank you. Brilliant, there's two of us. Right by the Thames. Wow. This is what you want to see. The greatest knight who ever lived. Yeah. Crossing the Thames in Reading. There we go, overcast. Leaving a bit of Reading, going through an industrial estate, looking for a cycle store. We need something. Cycle repairs. We need some bits and bobs. Day 4. So we've had a bit of a redirection in order to get to Alfred's to get some vehicle, get some bike parts. And we just stopped at Tesco to get some food. And we'll go from there and we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Leaving Reading by another unorthodox route because we had to go to Halford's. Don't worry. Back down the towpath. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Brilliant. Thank you.
There you go. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Oh, council working. Okay. Just going over the M4, having come out of Reading. Right beside the M4. I wonder if you can hire that for parties. Look at that. It's the business. Hello. Hello. Hello, Ryder. Yeah. No sweat. No sweat.
Just to be safe.
Yeah. Through the countryside. This is our wheat bridge. Despite everything I eat, I'm under the limit. Over a dual carriageway. This is a very quiet lane. Mounds of sand down the middle. All these little roads. And then you come out. It's quite a main road going into the village of Risley. So we worked out we could stop at this pub on the way. It says it's open every day, but it's closed. Oh. Don't often see this, but this is the county boundary between Berkshire and Hampshire. Stop, it's a white deer. That is a white deer. Have you ever seen that before?
Don't you see a deer? Okay, I've had enough fixes.
Oh, and another one comes out. Over a humpback bridge. We pop out at this gate, but if you look all the way through, there's a house right down the end. Thank you. There are two of us. Thank you. Never seen one of these in the UK. That looks like a Spanish arrears or a Tennessee corn hub. So that's the Basingstoke Canal, and we're going to follow that to Cookham. Going gently down the towpath. Basingstoke Canal, and we have a beautiful narrowboat working its way down. These are very low bridges for your narrowboats, and of course if you're by the river you might see a heron just eaten. Now this pub was open. Nice pub. Cookham. Thank you very much. This canal is actually quite high because to our left it drops away about 50 feet. So this will be one of these massive banks on each side. Victorian constructions. Thank you. Cyclists, dismount. What?
What an interesting thing here. Got the route going two ways.
Let you go through. Yeah.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.